Up the anchor, now we're bringing it back up. Do it again, babe, because I hadn't had the camera on. Dropping it. Okay. Back up. Works perfect. Okay, I'm going to pan up. Show you that the windshield wipers work. See the windshield wipers? Good. Okay, and here... Alright, we're starting the starboard engine first. Blower on, so you can the blower. Port engine. And now we're going to run both. Now you've heard the boat run. And it runs beautifully. Those two engines make it cruise nicely across the lake. Where's the transom?
Transom is back here. The hot water tank would go right in that cavity. You'd have to fit it in. It's already plumbed.
Where his fingers going?
We got 3 batteries, new batteries, whether a year old, and a new water pump, which is on this side over here for fresh water to the boat. And then in the back, the yellow box is a new battery charger with a direct feed to each battery, so it's shore powered recharge plus off the engines when they're running.